Welcome to PFTV. Sibuyile Mapagania. It's a 3-0 win to Orlando Pirates. Mr. Mlambo Mnandi.
Mnandi mfethu. Ngimnandi mfethu.
Mr. Mlambo, we saw Kaizer Chiefs went ultra attack today. Unfortunately,
Sundowns, not Kaizer Chiefs.
Sundowns. Yeah, well up to Lava. So yeah, Sundowns, Mr. Mlambo, they went 7-3, and then our boys needed to respond. Thoughts on this performance?
I think Danga like we did so well. Pela like there's no difference between us and Sundowns now. They got 3 goals, we got 3 goals. Today, this is coming to Escotini. No one is ever going to tell me otherwise. Bonile kuseni siyithathile ngithi sizoyithatha futhi nange 23. This is our year.
Coach Wadundang, I know that when I know Ghost, you've been skeptical of giving his flowers. Do you think he's starting to prove now that he's the right man for the job?
I think the team Tanga yonke like the technical team yakhe Mandla Ncikazi coach Wadu, I think he has done so well. Ngiyaqala ukisho leyo nto, but he has done so well because now we're having pressure, but we're able to absorb the pressure. We were not stressed, Vandag. Since the game iqalile Ntanga, we were all over them. Yeah, so I'm giving him his flowers now.
Any standout performance today?
Sibili mina like I'm surprised to our police man of the match, yes, because I think Usbili mfethu is always up and down, and that right back position I think he has been doing so well. Mfethu niyaku World Cup abambize mfethu omunye umntwana kunina sebenza. I think Sibili Ntanga has done so well. Ayimaka bafethu uTito Simsolani. How many goals this season, and check the minutes mfethu is amongst the top goal scorers. Now, I think he's having 9 or 10. Look at that goal, Ntanga. Ushidu goal. There is no one who can score that goal like South Africa. I think also Tito plays so well, Vandag.
No, I hear you, Mr. Mlambo. And then we saw man of the match. It was given to Apoli Poli. And do you think he had a good performance today?
Did you see that Kwetla? Hey, Mfethu, you can't see those things like South Africa. It's only police and Rile who gives you those special moments. But I think that guy always, Mfethu, like standard, it's always high. So I don't question a police or Rile when they play so well, because that's what is expected. That's why Nishuguti angibonanga adlale kahle kakhulu, because he's a quality player. I think he can give us more. But I think now he's a good game, scored a penalty. Simsolan.
2 more games to go, Mr. Mlambo. You know, Sundowns only 1 remaining. Do you still believe this league is ours?
I believe Ntanga ngihlekiswe uwethu today ukuthi mawune stress Sundowns mayilokoloki kwamagoli angaka kodwa bengitshela ukuthi awuna stress, but the league is ours. They are just left with 1 game. Mele bakore 7 or 10 ukuthi basidlule sasenama game ayi2. This league it's ours. Let's win our 2 games, then sekumnandi mfethu.
Let's win our 2 games, then sekumnandi Mapagania. You heard it from Mr. Mlambo himself. Opa!